What's going on, BioManiacs? BioLogicalEX1 is back in the house once again, and I am attempting to do another unboxing video. The item that I am going to unbox is called the Charging Stand Presentor del Recharge, and it is from the Xbox One. It says include chargeable batteries packed, due to the fact that you want to save money and not buying too many batteries, so you buy this device right here. And it says, keep your Xbox One controller fully charged and ready to game. Include charging stand, 1100 mAh rechargeable battery pack, charge through battery door, 3.3 feet USB charge cable, LED charge indicator. Click down to charge, click up to store. Okay, let's just unbox this stuff right now. Alright, let's see what we have here. Manual, USB core. This is part of the charge. Oh, this right here is the battery, the rechargeable batteries. This right here is the, damn, always sticky. This right here is the, so this is what it looks like. Let's just attach this together and see if it works. Took the AA batteries off of my Xbox One controller, my wireless Xbox One controller. So I gotta put this in here and then use this that came with the box to charge it. So let's just do this right now. I believe it goes like this because the plus is on the plus and the negative is on the negative. You cannot mix a plus and negative to the positive. Now you gotta like follow the symbol. The moment of truth. I'm gonna place the Xbox One controller on top of the charger and see if it works. Let me just get a little closer. I don't know if you see that. See right there? If the light is blinking red, well, it's not blinking, but it is showing though. I don't know why I say blinking. If the light is showing red, that means it's charging. So therefore it works. I'm just going to cut this video off and wait a little bit to see how the results, and I will be right back. Okay people, I am back, and as you see, the rechargeable battery for the Xbox One controller is fully charged. You can see the green light right here. I did test the rechargeable batteries on my Xbox One console and it worked perfectly. No skips, no freeze, no delays. It just works fine, just like the AA batteries. I forgot to mention earlier, this rechargeable battery device that I pay, this is $17 at Walmart. You go to any Walmart store and get this for $17. Between 1 to 10, I'll give it an honest score. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Don't get me wrong, it is a great rechargeable device. If only the USB core is a little bit longer, and if it charged a little bit faster, then it'll be great. And I'm not throwing shades, I'm not bashing on it. It is still a great product. It was just some things is a bit off, but it's not too serious. Overall, if you're on a budget, if you want to save money, that way you can stop buying AA batteries, give this a shot. Only $17 brand new on any Walmart store. Other than that, that's about it. This is BioLogicalEX1. Rate, comment, share, subscribe, hit notification, be part of BioManiacs. Peace out, BioManiacs. Have a great day, evening, folks. I'm going to get back playing The Walking Dead with this device. Alright, good day and evening, everyone. Peace out.